y equals 4 cosine of negative 1/3 x. Ah, yeah. Okay, so negative on the inside, but it's a cosine function, which is even. So we can just ignore that. Yeah. So it's just 1/3 x. Okay, so now we need our 6 pieces of information.
Amplitude.
Amplitude, what else?
Period.
Period.
Phase shift.
Centerline, phase shift.
Domain range.
You got it. All right, somebody give me one of them. One piece of information.
4 is the amplitude.
All right, good. Somebody else give me another piece of information. More specifically. Good. All right, we're looking for different people for each piece.
Oh.
I know. 6 pi for the period.
No.
Yeah, let somebody else in.
That's not what I. Yes.
So you don't agree with the 6 pi?
Maybe. I agree. I agree.
No shift. No phase shift. Do it. Four pieces down, 2 to go. Somebody else.
Domain's all real numbers.
Nice job.
Nice. Way to go, bro.
I agree. Finally, range. I agree. Nice job. Questions on any of those pieces? Oh, X scale, okay. 6 pi divided by 4. 3 pi halves, 3 halves pi.
It's a nice graph.
Okay, center line, y equals 1. Range is -3 to 5. This is a cosine function. Cosine functions start in the middle, at the top, or the bottom, where? At the top, so we're going to start at 0, 5, because there's no shift left or right. Okay, so from the center to our tick marks left and right, we'll come to the center line. And the next tick mark on your scale will be at the bottom. You work away from your start. The next one after that, where will I be? Good. Finally. Makes sense because it's supposed to take 6 pi to start repeating. So here we are at 0 for x and Or you could just do like 6 by 5, 12 pi, 5, 18 pi, 5, 24 pi. I'd rather you mix it up though. Rather than just keep it that. Questions on the graph or any of the information? Probably got rid of that negative.
How did you get rid of that negative?
Cosine is an even function, so negative inside can just be erased.
Tricks.
One negative outside
What's that?
with the even function.
Or we're negative?
Yes.
That would just mean that instead of starting at the top, we would have started at the bottom. So a negative on the outside means it reflects across the center one. So if it's a cosine with a negative on the A value, then you start at the bottom instead of on the top. If it's a sine with a negative on the A value, that means you still start at the middle, but instead of going up, you go down.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, that would throw me off this weekend, sign with the negative.
With sine with a negative A value.
Like.
Now, sine with a negative B value, you gotta factor it out of the inside, and then it goes from the inside to the outside and changes the A value.
Sign.
Sine does. Cosine, a negative on the inside, if you had it in two terms, you'd still need to factor it out, but then you need to just drop it. It looks like you're just not ignoring it, but what you're using is, of course, in fact, somewhere in here, or even not. Cosine of negative something is the same as cosine of the positive. Negative on the inside, sine though, is gonna change the A value.
So if there's a negative B value on this and if we were ever in it,
Yes.
we need to show that we're factoring out the negative and then drop it? Or can we just say,
You can do, I mean, these aren't hard things, yeah, so you can just change them every time.
He's gonna be Sonic the Hedgehog here.
I mean, technically, behind the scenes, what you would do, is factor
He's
it out.
blue, but this is basically what
Yeah,
it
it
looks
would be a
like.
two-step thing, but that's not a hard two-step thing for us. That's pretty close.
It's Sonic.
No, Math 91 students, maybe. Unless they would understand the idea of function.
But he stands on, so he's just bending.
Well, you just get to erase the negative sign, I love it, that's what they would say. All right, we okay with sine and cosine graphs?
Maybe.
can you have something
Do a sine graph? Sure, how hard?
I saw.
You wanna do one of these off of here? Any of those look interesting?
E,
Which one?
E.
E or G, Jeff?
G.
G?
Let's do all of them.
All right, let's see. So it's accurate graph, there's all the details like here. So we're doing, G here, 1G, Y
1G.
equals 2 sine negative 1/50 pi x minus 1/4 pi, and D is 0. Okay, we got a problem, B is negative.
Uh-oh.
Can we just erase it?
Nope.
Mm-hmm.
Factor
Let's,
it out.
let's,
You gotta factor it out and then transfer it to the front.
so yeah. So you can do
You
both.
gotta do both of those things simultaneously? Alright, so the negative 2 then, sine of 1/50 pi x
Whoops.
plus 1/4 pi. Good.
Is there a difference on the pi?
Oh, yeah, pi over 50 is the same thing as 1/50 of pi.
That's really confusing.
Yep, yeah, because this is one entity, which is the same thing as pi over
Entities.
50. All right, let's see, we got our 6 items. Domain, range, period, phase shift, amplitude, all those things. We
Amp.
got one
The amp is 2.
amplitude.
Sunlight.
Yes. White. What else? Period. 2 pi divided by pi over 50.
100 pies.
100. Pi's canceled.
Center line's a 0.
Yes.
So,
Phase shift.
ooh.
I've been writing this in with our information. You don't have to